I'm still trying to sink in that I have got through the exam, to be honest. Thanks a lot to you and your entire team. I think that was the most important reason why I got through this exam very easy. Important thing I would like to say is that those 3 months, having interacted with you guys every weekend, and there was a persistent revision going on every week, and that kept things going rather than coming to the exam 2 weeks before and with all the adrenaline rush, nothing is going to go in. Secondly, in the exam, it's a totally different scenario. You have got every sort of stress going on there, and it's very difficult to try to memorize and bring something which is in the subconscious mind unless and until you have practiced it. And this course, I think, is the best way to deal with. I wouldn't have done it if it was not you guys who have motivated me. My advice from what I got from the exam is that you have got the knowledge. That's why you're taking part 2. They're not testing the knowledge. That's an important aspect, but it's not just the knowledge that they are testing. They are testing how you come across, how confident you are in application of that knowledge in front of the patient. I think that's the most important thing. None of the topic was that I never heard it before. Everything you went through the course was the exact same.